Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Romain Virgo seems to be enjoying his US tour. The artist shared with his fans this morning that he is having a wonderful time on the road. Now, Virgo's summer tour has 18 shows, and he moves into his 6th show this evening in California. Virgo started at the successful Jerk Festival over the Independence weekend and will wrap in New York in September. Virgo has carved a name for himself in mainstream reggae markets since winning Digital Rising Stars back in 2007 and produced hits like Can't Sleep and the recent favorite, Good Woman. Now, women all over the world are even more excited as this week, the Miss Universe pageant announced that a 70-year-old eligibility rule will be updated. Miss Universe is to allow married women and mothers to compete in the pageant. In an internal memo seen by The National, the organization says it has always strived to evolve with the times, and the latest decision was the natural next step. Now, the new rules will be effective for the 72nd pageant to be held in 2023. Preliminary pageants have already taken place for Miss Universe 2022, which will be held later this year. Megan Thee Stallion's new album was released today. The album's title, Traumazine. The three-time Grammy winner made a guest appearance last night on Jimmy Fallon, where she dished details on the new album and spoke on the selection of songs on the album. The LP features Mega's hit single Plan B, along with collabs with Dua Lipa on Sweetest Pie, Future on Pressurelicious, Lotto and Budget, and Janae Aiko for Consistency. Traumazine follows Megan Thee Stallion's 2021 album Something for the Hotties at her debut, Good News, back in 2020. Now, congratulations are in order for the Subconscious boss. Conscience has reached 1 billion views across YouTube and Spotify. Well, there he is with his plaque. We'll definitely celebrate with his music this weekend at Fame Frequency, so come out for Neon this Saturday night here, Lyndhurst Road. I'm Daedren Gordon reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime. Be safe.